Well, the condo boom isn't even close to bursting. That's according to an expert who says high-rise real estate is still a great place to invest. It really just depends on where you buy. Now, joining me here on BT is Andrew la Fleur, from truecondos.com. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So first off, condo boom is not busting at all. I feel like there's this myth out there that we are building too much and that the actual vacancies are way up, but that's not the case.
No, quite the contrary. Yeah, that's a myth that I just can't seem to bust. I've been talking about it for years, but it's just not true at all. It's quite the opposite, as you said. We're seeing the same thing in the condo market as we're seeing the low-rise market. Everybody's talking about the low-rise market and how prices are up 10–15%. We're seeing similar numbers now in the condo market. Basically, the big story is supply is down and demand is up.
Okay, and it's up, way up, because at this point, downtown Toronto, I believe you said it was about 36% of an increase versus selling last year.
Yeah, that's right. The stats just came out from the Toronto Real Estate Board for June. Yeah. And the sales are up 36%. The number of listings available to purchase are down 26%. So it's this imbalance in the market which is driving prices up.
All right, so when you see those cranes out there, they're actually filling the demand. And the prices are also on the rise as well. We have an example of 3 condos who were sold recently, but just as recent as 3 years ago, sold for a lot less. So, I mean, the prices are also going up. We have this first one here on Hannah, that's in Liberty Village in that area. And that originally here, 5 Hannah Street, it sold in 2013 for $585,000. What did it sell for in this year?
Yeah, this one just sold in the past couple of weeks for $730,000. As you said, sold for $585,000 just a couple years ago.
Right. And then we have another one as well, an example, it was on Simcoe. And Simcoe, again, the prices are phenomenal.
Yep, this one just sold in multiple offers for $705,000. Previous sales price just a few years back, 2013, was $573,000. And again, a great located condo downtown. They are selling. They're selling very quickly, especially larger units we're finding are very much in demand.
And 25 Sudbury as well, that had a big price.
Yeah, this is a great example of a condo townhouse, which are extremely popular. Townhouses. This one sold for $590,000 last week, and the previous sales price was $460,000.
Okay, so where are the best places then to invest if you are looking for a condo and you want that kind of return in the end?
Well, I mean, the sort of blue chip neighborhoods that you just can't go wrong with right now today would be anything on Yonge Street is always a good thing. King West is very, very hot right now. King West, Liberty Village area. And we're seeing the east side. The east side of downtown is really starting to emerge. It has been a value sort of area, but now it's really starting to catch up to the west side as well. And
a lot of that has to do with the potential of that downtown relief line that has been mentioned, because where transit comes, of course,
that's right. Yeah, stick to the fundamentals when you're investing, I always say. So with the downtown relief line looking like it's very real possibility in the near future, a lot of interest is now popping up on the east side of the city.
And also in the 905 as well. Condos are big there.
Yes, I mean, the cheapest type of real estate in the GTA is a condo in the 905, and so you're seeing a lot of demand just because of affordability looking at condos in the 905.
People being outpriced from houses.
Absolutely.
All right, Andrew, thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it. More BT when we come back.